Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Chaos, crowns and comebacks. Reggae Sumfest 2025 makes history. Reggae Sumfest 2025 saw the biggest staging yet, drawing thousands of international and local patrons to Catherine Hall. The festival culminated its week-long lineup of activities over the weekend with many firsts, but might be the last for some.
This might be the last Reggae Sumfest, you understand? Because I can't take the style thing, me a bad boy.
Adding fuel to the fire, Jashi, who was a guest of Massacre, made this bold statement.
When I say DJ, I don't know what kind of boot that you have on. But I say them not bad like your shoes lace. Them say corner put out or corner go. Nobody, none of that.
The comment came ahead of Vybz Kartel being crowned king of dancehall by the queen herself, Spice. This also marked the first Sumfest performance in 14 years. The God is the Greatest DJ took the reign from being a man who held the crown for 16 years.
Now I say this, because I can be the bigger man. And we have to say, big up to the man, the former king.
But what was a pivotal moment for the culture was almost overshadowed by chaos, where some patrons were injured in a stampede.
I was a little shaken up because I was right there when the fence tore down and my stuff was like all on the floor and everything, but it was like calm soon after. I guess, you know, that's the effect of a powerful man being crowned king.
Legendary, single-handedly, right throughout the world. You understand? I say Vybz Kartel, yeah, I feel good, I never regret my money.
Event organizers, taking full responsibility for the stampede, issued a press release ahead of Night 2 promising better security and crowd control, which was evident with an incident-free event on Saturday night. Night 2, dubbed Reggae Night, saw the return of Tony Braxton after a 6-year hiatus. Bugle, who returned to the stage after 9 years, paid a heartfelt tribute to his mother with his 2009 track Pearly Gates lighting up the stadium.
No worry about your blessing, where's your fountain there? The man coming into water pearl, dressing up on everything, on them.
Lila Ike, who made her Sumfest debut as a headliner, broke her silence on her arrest.
Yesterday when I felt so alone, so lost, so confused as to why I am being arrested, because I had a passenger in the seat of a demo car. What them call it? Demo plate? You know the blue plate them? Right? I was so confused. Only for end up come at Sumfest in the same car with the same passenger. Sumfest, the devil could have stopped this.
The festival came to a close with a tribute to reggae stalwarts from UK actor Terence Wallen, Taurus Riley, and Chester Miller.
I miss Robert Russell, who is the founder, but I know that it's in good hands, and I know that it's great for Jamaica.
That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.